Welcome to the Metals Investment Forum. Here it's my pleasure to introduce Jose Garcia, CEO of SilverX, the emerging silver producer.
Hi, Chen. Thank you for having me.
Oh, great. I've been in your project about a year ago, and then you make a lot of progress. I heard you are making money, even at sub $20 silver.
Absolutely. And you visited the project about a year ago, Tangana. Our mine was just beginning construction. We kept on going for a year, ramping up production. In Q3 2022, we already announced positive cash flow. So that's great news. We are reaching our cruise speed. And I think that we are proving the market that we are reality.
Oh, good, good. Brand new mine. So what do you see production-wise this year? What kind of a production profile you see, and then in the future, what do your big vision a few years from now?
Absolutely. We expect 2023 to be a very good year. Just in the first week of this year, we announced formally that we are in commercial production. So in this full year, we plan to mine approximately 2 million ounces of silver equivalent. Just for those who are interested, we mine ore that contains silver, gold, lead, and zinc. Okay, and that's the base case for the company. After that, we have some growth plans because our district is very large. There's lots of resources, and part of the value we're going to deliver to investors is actually increasing production over the years.
Oh, excellent. And then you found some very exciting gold seems to be in one of your mine, right? It's very exciting new discovery.
I would say that was one of the most exciting items in 2022. Not only that we have this silver polymetallic geological event, but it's actually gold in the system. And this gold both in the veins, but also there is disseminated gold on surface. Okay. One of the targets that we call Hazawas is going to be tested in the next few weeks. Actually, we are going to start drilling in Q1.
Oh, excellent. So what kind of gold system you're expecting? And what? So it will be more tilted towards gold production? Would it be? I mean, what I'm trying to get is what kind of grade are you hoping to get?
Actually, in our mine, we are getting grades of gold in excess of 1 gram on average, right? And this epithermal system with a transition to mesothermal, and we believe that gold is going to have, a vertical extent, and we're going to keep on finding more veins or veinlets of this gold, right? That's exciting. But the gold on surface is going to be bulk tonnage. It's going to be low grade. It's going to be disseminated, okay? Potentially open pitable. We'll see with exploration.
Okay, good. So all these, the gold on the surface, you plan to go through the mill also, or you can do heap leach or other way?
We don't know. Hopefully, it'll be heap leach. We don't know yet. Certainly not through the current mill. Okay, if that project becomes a reality, it'll be a much larger asset, and we'll need a much larger facility.
Okay, good. So basically, you're running this silver mine, 2 million ounce, with expansion, and then suddenly you find a new gold deposit.
Yeah.
Is that the story?
And not only that, there's some other silver assets or silver projects in our district. So within the next couple of years, you're going to see likely 2 silver mines with 2 processing facilities. On top of that, all the exploration upside. So I think that's great. We are developing our company on a fast track, and I think investors should be looking at that.
Oh, excellent. So what will investor expect in the coming months or weeks maybe?
Well, more results on our exploration, our production, obviously our quarterly update on those fronts, and we'll also release a new preliminary economic assessment on the potential expansion of the Tangana project.
Okay.
Tangana and the Recuperada plant are now operating at a maximum capacity of 700 tons a day, and we are working on a PEA to expand that capacity to 1,500 tons a day, more than twice.
Oh, wow, that's impressive. So what kind of capacity are required to go to 1,500?
It's hard to say. We're working with our consultants, and they'll be released within the next few weeks with the PEA, but I anticipate that it will be a modest capex in the scope of things.
Okay. And then I've been to your mill site. You seem to have enough ground. You can just expand, buy more equipment or.
Actually, we're considering a new mill. So within the next 3 years, as I said, we'd like to have 2 mills with 2 mines. Okay. So I think this PA is going to show the full range of opportunities. And what I like about the district is not only the potential, the number of projects, but also the optionality that we have. I think that's outstanding.
Okay. That's very interesting. So you potentially, would that be a different type of mineral feeding different mills, or
No,
that?
basically it's all the same. Same
So
kind of
then,
epithermal systems, same kind of ore, basically two different locations with two different mills.
those,
Okay.
okay, so much closer. You don't need to drive. I remember you drove through that road, right? So
Yeah.
you don't need, you
And it's
save
very
a
hilly up there.
you save a lot of costs, right? And then more profit. That's excellent, excellent, excellent. So what other issues, other plan you have, you want to share with the investor?
Well, I think we keep on strengthening our company, not only in terms of resources, but also in terms of human capital. We like to be a high growth company. We'd like to become a mid tier sooner or later. And obviously, we've been attentive and we've been looking at other opportunities in Peru and other countries. So, if there is a chance to take other projects that is obviously accretive to our investors, we'll do it.
All right, excellent, excellent. Well, hopefully in a few years you will be operating much higher production profile.
I think for those investors interested in the silver space, you want to look at SilverX, you want to look at what's going to grow to a much larger size. And I typically refer to SilverX as the new Fortuna Silver. So I think you should look at that.
Oh, excellent. Well, you're already a shareholder, happy shareholder, put it this way. So,
Thank you for that.
yeah, I'm of course following and hope you see your success. So, are you limited to Peru, or are you going for other countries in that neighborhood?
Peru is our home.
Mhm.
That's where we are most comfortable. But obviously, we'll take opportunities in other American countries.
Okay,
Definitely.
American countries. Okay. So, are you primarily looking for silver or the
Certainly.
other? Certainly. Yeah.
Certainly possible. Yes.
Oh, excellent, excellent. Well, it looks like you have a very good story, and your stock's doing well, and react to your commercialization, free cash flow. People seem kind of excited about your stock finally.
Yeah, we actually had a very good Q3 and Q4. The stock really performed. Still not a great market. Our share is trading today at 40 cents, which I believe is not fully valued. You want to read some of the analyst reports out in the market that gives us target prices in between 80 cents and $1.
Yeah, yeah.
And I
saw
think
one
that
of those. Yeah.
2023 is going to be a good year for SilverX.
That's a good, excellent. I mean, just to let people look at the valuation at 40 cents. What's your market cap?
It's approximately 61, 62 million Canadian.
Canadian. Oh, okay. Most of the silver miner producers is in 100 range.
Yeah, we'll be catching up. We'll be catching up this year.
Okay, okay, yeah. Look forward to see your improvement and maybe catch up to where you should be.
Excellent. Thank you, Chen.
Okay, thank you.